Yeah, just a quick live video because quite exciting. Just received my first ever package sent into me. Yeah, I did a live video a little while ago about if anyone had any spare tyres they could send me in so I can continue making like a track barrier for my track. Then yeah, they go ahead and send them in to me. So yeah, someone did. Thank you very much, Danny Parry. Let's get this opened up. So yeah, I don't know if this will be enough, but it will certainly add to the amount that I need. He did say that he had a bunch. He sent me a picture. They don't need to be in any decent condition really. In fact, I kind of think that, you know, the more ruined they are the better really, because then it will kind of look cooler. So yeah, hopefully he sent me a bunch of tyres that I can glue together, and we can start seeing if we're actually getting close enough to be making a barrier. The idea is, oh, there's some full wheels in here as well. The idea is that I'll use the tyres stacked up in pairs of two. If I wanted to like change the direction of the track, I can just kind of go, yeah, you can't go down that area, and just like velcro a load of tyres down, so then you have to go in a certain direction. So yeah, let's see. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another set of another wheel. Another wheel. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16 tyres that are off the wheels, and they're kind of a set, and 2 sets of cheap tyres as well. That's sick. So I mean, I'll just strip the tyres off them, the cheap wheels, strip the tyres off them, and I don't know, maybe I'll use them in some kind of diorama, put them outside one of the shop fronts that I'm going to be building or something like that, and with a for sale sign, or I don't know. But that's wicked, dude. Danny Parry, thank you very much. 16 tyres will get me quite a fair way. I think I can start measuring up how far everything's going to get me now. I'm going to need probably, I would have thought, so if they're going to be set up in pairs of 2 like this, right, so they're like 2 tyres high, if I can get them to balance, like that, then yeah, hopefully with like a bit of a curve or a straight or something, I'll probably need a little bit over 3 foot, maybe like 3.5 foot worth of tyres. I mean, what he's saying, I reckon 5 or 6 tyres, rows, is going to be about a foot, and I reckon I'm over halfway there. But these will be cool, even if I can just like stick them by the side, just to fill in one of the, you know, bits of wooden barrier that I've made so far. That'll be pretty sick. Yeah, lovely. Thank you very much, and peace. Keep drifting. You get it done off. Peace.